A kitten and a dog were best friends. One day, their owner announced, "I am traveling for a long time, so you will have to manage until I return." Before leaving, he provided each of them with their own food. The dog quickly ate all of his food, but the clever cat ate only a little and saved the rest for the days ahead. Days later, the dog found himself without any food. He approached the kitten and said, "I know you saved some of your food. Please share it with me." The cat replied, "No, I can't give you any. I don't know when our owner will return." Months passed, and when the owner finally came back, the cat had grown plump, while the greedy dog had sadly perished. The owner looked at the kitten and remarked, "I see you are wiser than the foolish virgin who does not know when her master will come." This story illustrates the importance of foresight and wisdom in managing resources.